In this short video, we'll be discussing comma splices, a type of sentence level error. So what is a comma splice? A comma splice is an error that occurs in a compound or also compound complex sentences. It occurs when you have two independent clauses and they've been connected with only a comma. This is incorrect. So here's an example of a comma splice. He studied for 8 hours every week. He still had a difficult time passing the class. So here we have two separate independent clauses, but we've connected it with just a comma. And that's an error. So we need to correct this by doing the following things. We can make the sentences separate with a period. We can use a coordinating conjunction to connect the two independent clauses, or we can use a conjunctive adverb to connect the two independent clauses. So here's the first way. We have the incorrect sentence. He studied for 8 hours every week. He still had a difficult time passing the class. We can correct this by simply adding a period at the end of the first independent clause and then separating the second sentence. We can use a coordinating conjunction to connect the two independent clauses and form a compound sentence. So we can do this by adding a coordinating conjunction. In this example, we used yet. So we have he studied for 8 hours every week, comma, yet he still had a difficult time passing the class. And we can also use a conjunctive adverb to connect the two independent clauses, again forming a compound sentence. Here's the incorrect sentence. And then we've added a conjunctive adverb here. He studied for 8 hours every week. Nevertheless, he still had a difficult time passing the class. So those are three ways to correct comma splices.